Okay, I'm gonna try to make a video of a video. This is a home that I visited some time ago. That is a $17,000 system. What you're looking at there on the right is a real low-grade Chinese-made condensate pump set right on the ground with stakes nailed in at a 45-degree angle, I guess, to hold it still. That condensate pump has failed, as most of them do. You get a $17,000 system, why not go the $70 on a decent Utilitech condensate pump? The plastic that you're looking at is the cheapest stuff you can possibly get your hands on. It's some stuff called Duraskim. It's not even made for this industry. It's made for the grain and oil industry. What they do with it, I don't know. It has micro holes on one side of it that are caused in the manufacturing. When you have a vapor barrier, you don't want holes in it. The material that's running through the middle of that is string, and water goes in through the holes and rots the string. Anyway, here to the left is a real good Santa Fe dehumidifier. There's nothing wrong with that. It is set at an angle, and those are supposed to be set at an angle. The installers have opted to grab a couple of brick and set it on the brick. We'll usually build a perfectly level pier out of block and sand, and we use the Sylvane or the Moisture Medic made by Sylvane, depending on the situation, size of the crawl space. But this is the meat and potatoes of a system, and you have strike 1, 2, and 3 right there. I'll try and run this video. It's very difficult, but see there, the condensate pump has already failed. Water is coming out of it and heading downhill, and I don't get a real good picture of it, but there's a 15-foot by 15-foot puddle of water, and 2 or 3 of them spread out across that place. I had been in this home before, and there really wasn't a problem until she spent $17,000 to have this put in. Over and out.